Good day, RK Figs here. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I've been really busy, but walking through the garden, seeing a lot of varieties starting to ripen, and I figured it's time to make a quick video. This is my Lebanese Bekaa Valley over here, and it's beginning to ripen. It's not quite ready yet. I've already had some Italian honey, some LSU champagne, some LSU O'Rourke, and some LSU improved Celeste. They were just, every day getting a little bit here and there, but now we got quite a bit coming. So I figured I would. Here we got an Adriano. See those sugar spots down there? This is a little bit smaller than the regular Adrianos that I get, but I guess it's the first one of the year. This is my Pastiglieri tree, which, I did get warned that in the first year it will drop a lot of its figs. I had hoped that that wasn't going to happen, but you can tell these figs, they're definitely not figs that are gonna ripen properly. So that's that. This is my Italian honey. As you can see, I got some bags here over them, and to protect them, because these things are super sweet and everybody smells it. All the little animals smell them. Okay, next here we got some LSU champagne. Already had a few from this tree. See there, got a little honey dripping from the eye, so that's gonna be a good one. All right, working our way here between the jungle. We got, this is my improved Celeste. I got a couple here that are either ready or almost ready. You could see them all turning color. And these probably need another day or two, but I'm gonna pick one. We'll pick the softest one out of them all. Let's just go for this one. I know this is could have used a lot more time, but we'll just give it a taste. This is my Cypress, which is doing really well this year. All right, we'll swing over to the other side. All right, so here we got a nice Smith that is close. Maybe needs another 3 days, so I'm very excited about that one. This tree produces some very delicious figs. We got MBVS over here, which you could see they're turning, and this tree has been an extremely reliable tree for me over the years, producing non-stop figs. All right, and finally we got our little champion over here. Okay, this is Sal's EL. This thing had honey dripping out of the eye, and you can see the honey there in the bag. And usually this produces a little bit later on, but this year it's nice and early. And we got another one here. Maybe this one will wait on it. But you could see they're all starting to change color. So this is going to be a nice harvest this year. Okay, so here we have our nice plate of figs. And we will start off with this Adriano. We're going to try this out. And looks pretty good on the inside. Very, very nice. Very, very nice Adriano. They definitely, usually the main crop is a lot bigger and more tasty than this, but it does taste pretty good. All right, let's go next. We'll move to our LSU champagne, which had some fig honey coming out, but it must have fell off. It kind of solidifies, becomes kind of hard, the fig honey, but it's mainly, figs mainly do that to protect insects from crawling in the eye. And if you look here, that looks phenomenal. Got some sugar spotting going on here. That's the figgy flavor that I'm looking for. Fantastic. All right. Next we'll move to we got two of these Italian honeys. This one is super overripe, I would say, and this one is underripe. So we'll start with the underripe because I always like the very ripe ones for the flavor. And there is my Italian honey. And you know what? This is actually pretty good. I would not say it's underripe. Absolutely fantastic. And now for the really soft one. This thing is going to be like a sack of honey. That's what it's going to be. So you can see that there. Just like holding jelly in your hands. Absolutely fantastic. So I would say most of these are kind of like honey figs, even though this one is a berry honey, but it's still predominantly honey, the Adriano. So now we're getting into the berry figs. One berry fig. The Improved Celeste is typically a sugar fig, but it is a really good sugar fig. Like, it's one of my favorite. Unfortunately, this one is underripe, but just for the video, I did pick it. And this one, even when it is underripe, still tastes pretty good. Fig flavors are amazing. And finally, my Salziel that usually ripens later than this, but this one looked good. Even had a drop of honey out the eye. So we got to taste it. And a little darkening there. I will cut that away just to be safe. It smells good. Even though it's ripe, even though it had some honey out the eye, it's like it didn't ripen properly. But it is the first one off the tree, and there are plenty more starting to turn color. So I'm greatly looking forward to that. So there you have it, guys. RK Figs, and we'll see you in the next video.